out real quick. I just finished a TorqHead install. It's not dressed, it's not totally finished. This doesn't have the bolts tightened down. Only one. I need a wrench. And the spark plug wires are hodgepodge, so I need to get a custom length set made. And I didn't put water in it yet. See how the plug wires are these two here, and this one is extra long. I got some tailors mixed in there. Anyway, this TorqHead is a used kit, and this is Jovan Williams' car, and this is engine number 46 that was for Lamar Howell many years ago. A 396, a beautiful engine with Jessel shaft rockers. Anyway, I just flashed a tune. What I did was put a tune, the exact same tune that Steve Harbor has on his 396 Impala. I just wanted to see if it started, and it did. I turned the key, it started, and then I turned it back off. So I want to record that. All right, so here we go. Water, so I'm going to turn it off. All right, time to fine tune it. So there you have it. Successful TorqHead install. Monitoring here with software. Idling by itself around 900, 850. You'll hear mostly pistons and rockers here. It's pretty quiet. I like your setup with the the P&N intake. It actually makes it more reliable and smoother and quieter. See how your alternator is real close to the valve cover, but I got that worked out. Over here is a little bit closer to the valve cover. The rocker is just barely touching.